Welcome to Wholesome Salad Creations, where we bring you fresh and flavorful vegetable medleys that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Our first creation is a vibrant Greek salad bursting with flavors. Crisp cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, tangy feta cheese, and briny olives come together in a refreshing combination. Next up, we have a zesty Mexican-inspired salad. Crunchy lettuce, creamy avocado, spicy jalapenos, and tangy lime dressing create a fiesta of flavors in every bite. For those looking for a taste of the Mediterranean, our Mediterranean quinoa salad is a perfect choice. Nutty quinoa, tangy olives, juicy cherry tomatoes, and creamy feta cheese make this salad a true delight. Looking for something light and refreshing? Our citrus kale salad is the answer. Crisp kale leaves, juicy oranges, crunchy almonds, and a tangy citrus dressing create a perfect balance of flavors. If you're a fan of Asian cuisine, our sesame ginger noodle salad will satisfy your cravings. Tender noodles, crunchy vegetables, and a flavorful sesame ginger dressing come together for a taste sensation. For a protein-packed option, try our grilled chicken and quinoa salad. Grilled chicken breast, nutty quinoa, fresh vegetables, and a tangy vinaigrette make this salad both satisfying and nutritious. Finally, we have a refreshing watermelon and feta salad. Sweet watermelon, creamy feta cheese, fresh mint, and a tangy balsamic glaze create a unique and delightful combination of flavors.